Actress Kajal beauty treat gives electric shock to everyone. Actress Kajal's beauty treat gives electric shock to everyone. Bollywood film industry's 61 Filmfare Awards were celebrated in a prestigious manner yesterday. Even Tollywood celebrities were also walked on the red carpet. Kajal was walked on the red carpet during she showed her cleavage beauty. Hot actress Kajal has came as wear a pink color gown and low neck gown at the Bollywood 61 Filmfare Awards. Heroine Kajal has exposed her cleavage and it treat to everybody. Kajal has never seen in such a bold and hot photo shoot. According to the latest reports, actress Kajal is planning to attract the audience attention due to her upcoming movie is going to be released very soon. Dulaf Junkie Kahani, and this movie is made in Bollywood film industry. Even Filmfare was also shocked with her bold address. Watch the video of actress Kajal's cleavage beauty treat. Kajal is one of the topmost actresses in Indian film industry and she was mainly acted in South film industry and which mainly appeared in Tollywood and Kollywood film industry.